Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two finance apps. When selecting a personal finance app, understanding the key features and services of platforms like Personal Capital and PocketGuard is essential. Here's a detailed comparison to help users make an informed decision. Account types. Both Personal Capital and PocketGuard offer tools to manage personal finances, but they cater to different aspects. Personal Capital primarily focuses on investment management and wealth building. PocketGuard concentrates on budgeting and expense tracking. Budgeting tools. Effective budgeting tools are crucial for managing finances efficiently. Personal Capital offers comprehensive budgeting tools that allow users to track spending, categorize expenses, and compare spending habits over time. PocketGuard provides easy-to-use budgeting features that show users how much disposable income they have after accounting for bills, goals, and necessities. Investment tracking. Tracking investments is key for wealth management. Personal Capital excels in investment tracking with detailed insights into asset allocation, portfolio performance, and investment fees. PocketGuard primarily focuses on budgeting and does not offer investment tracking features. Financial planning. Long-term financial planning tools help users prepare for the future. Personal Capital provides extensive financial planning tools, including retirement planning calculators, education cost planners, and net worth tracking. PocketGuard focuses on short-term financial management and does not provide advanced financial planning tools. User interface and experience. A user-friendly interface enhances the overall experience. Personal Capital, known for its intuitive interface providing a clear overview of finances, investments, and spending. PocketGuard features a simple, easy-to-use which is designed to make budgeting straightforward, showing users their financial status at a glance. Security. Robust security measures are essential for protecting sensitive financial data. Personal Capital employs strong security measures, including encryption, two-factor authentication, and continuous monitoring to protect user data. PocketGuard also prioritizes security with bank-level encryption, two-factor authentication, and secure data connections. Customer support. Reliable customer support is crucial for addressing issues and questions. Personal Capital offers customer support via phone, email, and live chat. PocketGuard provides support through email and an in-app help center. Mobile experience. A strong mobile app is vital for managing finances on the go. Personal Capital, the mobile app mirrors the desktop experience, offering full functionality for tracking spending, budgeting, and managing investments. PocketGuard. The mobile app is designed for simplicity and quick access to budgeting tools. Conclusion. Both Personal Capital and PocketGuard offer valuable tools tailored to different financial needs. Personal Capital is ideal for users focused on investment management and long-term financial planning, while PocketGuard excels in budgeting and expense tracking for everyday financial control. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.